This video will describe the working principle and installation guide of the Horizontal Overfill Prevention Valve, indicated in our catalog as Figure 442 OR. The Horizontal Overfill Prevention Valve is usually installed in fuel storage tanks with a lateral fuel intake, as represented in the video. Alternatively, it can also be installed on the manhole. During refueling, the valve prevents the overfill of the tank. The closing procedure starts when the fuel reaches the floaters in their full open position. Make sure the valve is installed as shown, otherwise, it will not work correctly. Depending on the level of turbulence of the liquid, the valve will close in different positions. For highly turbulent flows, the valve closes at a lower level. The value is indicated in the technical datasheet as initial closing level. This happens because the force of the fluid pushes the valve retaining plate and closes the intake. For low turbulent flows, the level of the fluid can rise even further. This value is indicated in the datasheet as final closure level. Once the intake is completely closed, over the next few seconds, the valve will slightly reopen to discharge the remaining fluid. For more information about the installation position, consult our user manual. The Horizontal Overfill Prevention Valve can ensure the complete closure of the intake. For this reason, the valve is subjected to the so-called hydraulic shock or fluid hammer. The Horizontal Overfill Prevention Valve, as well as many others of our overfill prevention valves, are tested and certified to handle this effect. For further information concerning the flow rate and maximum operating pressure, check our technical datasheet. On the body of the valve, there is an arrow that represents the direction of the intake fluid flow. As already stated, the valve must be installed as shown, otherwise, it will not work correctly. Before installation, make sure there is enough space to install the valve and other additional components. The body of the valve can be selected as anodized aluminum or aluminum coated with PTFE. Regardless of the coating, the valve must fulfill requirements concerning electrical conductivity. In order to do that, 2 pin screws are present that must be unscrewed before installation and tightened after. This ensures a correct discharging path for the current, bypassing the insulating coating of the valve.